Heavy, ready for clearance?
Lufthansa Cargo 8145, ready to copy.
Lufthansa 8145 Heavy, clear to Echo Delta, Delta Foxtrot via the Payne to departure. Then direct Yankee Delta Charlie, then as filed. Maintain 3000. Departure frequency Seattle 128.5. Squawk 3505.
Lufthansa Cargo 8145 is clear to Echo Delta Delta Fox via the Payne 2 departure, then Stamson, Sierra Tango Mike 7 November, Yankee Delta Charlie, flight plan route, initial 3000 feet, 128.5 is departure, and 3505 is squawk.
Lufthansa Cargo 8145 Heavy, read back, correct.
Erste Höhe 3000 Fuß. In case of an engine failure haben wir geradeaus 5 Meilen und dann war es ein Left Turn, richtig?
Right turn.
Right Turn. Ein Right Turn zum VOR. Und dann steigen wir da auf 5000 Fuß hoch. Da sind wir überall safe, auch wenn die Sektoren höher sind, aber solange wir da über dem Platz bleiben, sind 5000 Fuß okay. Gewicht ist niedrig, das heißt, wir können jederzeit auch wieder landen. Landing Weight ist dann entsprechend 206 Tonnen roundabout. RTO-Briefing ist ein unkritischer Fall, das heißt, wir haben 600-700 Meter Luft an Controllability, Thrust Loss und jedes Feuer, was wir bemerken vor der V1 ist ein Stop Case. Wir haben keine Beladung, also kann es eigentlich nur ein Engine Fire sein.
Ja.
79 Lima Payne ground, taxi up to hold short runway 16 left at Foxtrot 3 via Foxtrot.
Das ist dann praktisch hier die Linie, wo wir dann das Taxi Request haben und da starten wir dann gleich auf der Bahn.
Flight deck, will you please set brakes?
Brakes are set.
Thank you.
Pre-flight checklist.
Pre-flight, Gibbons.
Removed.
Peter Static.
Check.
Oxygen.
Tested 100%.
Tested 100%. Flight instruments.
Heading 260, altimeters 3015, 560 feet.
Heading 260, altimeter 3015 inches, 560 feet. Checklist complete.
Okay. Ground from flight deck.
Go ahead, flight deck.
Request hydraulic clearance.
You are clear for hydraulics.
Thank you.
Cessna 8 Sierra Echo, verify information India.
Before start items.
Payne ground, Sierra Echo, have information India.
Before start checklist.
Sure.
Heading 162, altitude 3000 feet. Takeoff speeds.
Wriggle tech base, say again.
V1 137, VR 139er, V2 143.
Trim.
300.
Briefings.
Completed.
Before start checklist complete.
Hello ground.
Go ahead, flight deck.
We're starting the engines now.
You are clear to start engines.
Thank you. Start right engine. Oil pressure kommt.
Ignition.
Up to hold short 1, 6 up at Fox 2.
Looks like a clean start here.
Yep. Start left engine.
Ground, Charlie 42560 is at Crown with
Oil
information
pressure ist
India.
gut.
Ignition.
This is 42560, Payne ground.
Before taxi items, flaps 5. Prepare aircraft for taxi, handsing off on the left hand side. Thank you very much for your help.
Thank you very much. Just let me know when you're ready for me to disconnect.
Thanks and goodbye. Have a nice day.
Thank you very much and have a safe flight.
Thank you. Flight controls.
U153 Zulu. Wind 150. Below 12,000.
Rudder.
Ground equipment.
Ist clear. Und dann bitte Taxi.
Lufthansa Cargo 8145, request taxi.
Lufthansa Cargo 8145, runway 16 right, taxi via Alpha, verify India and latest.
Lufthansa Cargo 8145, verify India 80s and taxi 16 right of Alpha. Right side is clear.
Left side ist auch clear. Wir können hier los, da haben wir auch gerechnet.
Lufthansa 8145, heavy pain tower, good afternoon, runway 16 right, line up and wait, traffic departing downfield.
Lufthansa Cargo 8145, line up and wait, runway 16 right, traffic departing midfield. Viel Spaß, Klaus.
Danke gleichfalls. Brand new.
Ja.
529, start to take off all heavy traffic departing Chester. 529, roll on. Lufthansa Cargo 8145, heavy, runway 16 right, cliff takeoff, runway heading, maintain 3000.
Lufthansa Cargo 8145 is clear for takeoff, runway 16 right, runway heading, maintain 3000.
On runway 16 right.
Wir starten jetzt. Takeoff.
Takeoff is set. 80.
Checked.
Rotate. Positive rate.
Gear up.
Gear up.
Flick changes, baby.
2000.
Checked. We have speed front track.
45 at 3000. Turn left heading 050.
Speed now. Speed of altitude. Flaps 1.
Flaps 1.
3000. Links rum.
Lufthansa Cargo 8145, heavy, climb and maintain 6000.
Lufthansa Cargo 8145, climb and maintain 6000.
Schön.
Kann man nicht anders sagen.
Flaps up.
Flaps up.
Checked.
Lufthansa Cargo 8145, heavy, climb and maintain 9000.
Lufthansa Cargo 8145, climb and maintain 9000.
Approach Boeing 818 heavies with the test, 6.545 with India, ILS full stop.
Boeing 818 heavy, Seattle approach, roger. Lufthansa Cargo 8145, heavy, turn left, heading 340. Turn left, turn left.
Lufthansa Cargo 8145, left turn heading 340.
Turn left. Left, left.
Wunderbar ausgetrimmt. Das ist echt toll.
2000.
Checked. 1000 feet per minute, rate of climb.
Lufthansa Cargo 8145, heavy, proceed to Extension, resume O navigation, climb and maintain 15,000.
Lufthansa Cargo 8145, climb and maintain 15,000 direct Stamson.
Speed, vertical speed, und dann bitte enough. Daryl Stamson, execute. Enough. Enough speed, thrust ref. Jetzt habe ich dich aber etwas gestresst. Thrust ref, enough, enough speed.
Ja, jetzt stimmt's aber alles.
Lufthansa Cargo 8145, heavy, contact Seattle Center 134.905.
Lufthansa Cargo 8145, 13495. Good day, man. Bye.
Good day.
CSN hello, Lufthansa Cargo 8145 heavy, passing 10,600, climbing 15,000.
Lufthansa Cargo 8145, Seattle Center, climb maintain flight level 390.
Lufthansa Cargo 8145, climb maintain flight level 390.
After takeoff checklist.
After takeoff, check is complete.
390, alles drin. Du hast auch drauf gedrückt, damit keine
Ja.
Restriction kommt. Schauen wir da die Vulkankegel, auch sehr schön.
Unglaublich schönes Panorama.